Good morning, T-Squad. As you guys can tell, we're back in Toronto, guys, and we got back late last night. What time did we get back last night, babe? Like 11?
Like
11-ish?
9, 10.
No, like by the time we actually got home, it was like 11.
Oh yeah, 11.
So we got home last night at 11. We woke up at 3:30 a.m. this morning, guys, right back to the grind. But today is another special day, T-Squad. This is gonna be our first time ever on live television.
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Alright, about to head downtown. Ooh, we look red. Alright, about to head downtown, and the interview is at 6 a.m., babe? Oh.
Yeah, 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Right.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Alright, guys, so we made it downtown. Interview starts in 20 minutes. Morning. Alright, guys, so we are on set. Interview is about to start in a couple minutes. How you feeling, Kesh?
I'm not as nervous as the interview, I'll tell you that.
You look so good, so you got nothing to worry about.
Thank you.
After speaking with the Prime Minister, guys, stuff like this feels very, very easy and simple, so I think it should go good. We take lots of selfies. I've seen it on your Instagram, but have you ever held a vlog camera?
I have not.
No? Well, here you go. First try.
There you go.
Trey and Keshia, along with their kids, Camiro and Cali, have truly made a name for themselves in Toronto and around the world, and it's only up from here. Their latest video features none other than our own Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, in his first YouTube video collab. And so thanks so much for joining us. You guys are here with us this morning. The kids aren't here. They're still sleeping, right?
Yes.
Probably,
You guys just got off a flight from LA.
That's right, we got back late last night.
You guys are world travelers, which is amazing. Now, you know, the one question that I ask a lot of YouTubers, especially ones who do this full time, is how did you come up with the idea to do this?
Well, I always wanted to get into like the entertainment industry, and Keshia watched tons of YouTube, and she kind of just said, this is a way you can force your way in rather than, you know, going to auditions or whatnot. And we started it, you know, we started showing the family. All right, so first interview of the morning was a wrap. We did very well, very pleased.
I feel like I'm so overdressed. I'm not gonna stop saying it.
She looks amazing. She always likes to downplay herself. She looks amazing,
no, you're
beautiful.
Like so casual, and I'm like here dressed up.
We're balancing each other out.
I'm not saying like, okay, like I feel like I'm comfortable with what I'm wearing, but I feel like I
feel you look beautiful, and yeah, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
First interview went very well, guys. Now we're having a little intermission, a little break at the downtown Toronto Google office, but something is blowing my mind, guys. Look, mini golf on the rooftop. Like, look at the scenery. We can play golf on the roof. Like, how cool is this?
Did you just say you're gonna get a hole in one?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Where's the ball? Oh, it's right here. Ready for this? Ready?
Yep.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh. All right, you know what? A hole in two is not bad. Victory dance, ready?
You're too close.
It's about to do our second interview of the morning. I got some makeup on, got glammed up. I don't know if you can tell. they did a touch up on you too.
You got that highlight?
I got that highlight going on, T-Squad.
Yeah.
Hey.
What's poppin', T-Squad?
You got it. What's poppin', T-Squad?
Like,
Yeah.
what's poppin', T-Squad right there?
Hey.
I feel like you guys pull it up way better. Let's talk about this experience. I mean, how did it come to be? What was it like? I have so many questions.
It was honestly kind of surreal. It was one of those moments where it's like, is this really happening?
Yeah, and your channel does so many things. I mean, you chronicle your lives, but then there's also some pranks in there as well. And a lot of times the pranks, I would be so upset. So Keshia, how do you, one of your videos was like a prank about, like, is he cheating on me?
Yeah.
And that video, I was like, I would be so angry. So like, are you just constantly now, it's like, throw anything at me. I'm ready to handle this.
Honestly, we don't do it as much anymore, so when it does happen, I'm like, okay, are you being serious or like, is this a joke? But yeah, a lot of the time when it was brand new, I did kind of get upset, especially the one where he did like coughing up blood prank. I like packed the kids together and I was just like, okay, we're leaving, we're going to the hospital, what's going on? And he's like, it's a prank. I'm like, do not talk to me for the rest of the day. Like, you do not understand how fast my heart is beating right now.
Well, you're taking the dad jokes to the whole new level, that's for sure. So
back at home, and I've always wondered why little kids never want to take a nap. Especially my kids anyway. When I say, guys, it's time for a nap, they go, oh, I don't want to. We want to more than ever right now. Like, we landed at whatever time last night, woke up super early today. This morning was fun.
We're on 3 hours sleep.
Yes, this morning was fun, but it's time to hit the pillows and sheets.
I don't think I've ever been this excited for a nap. Like,
wait, what is that doing there?
Oh, that fell. It's kind of like decoration. Anyways,
Not
the interviews went very well. Those were our first ever TV appearances. So that was like another first experience for us. It went very well.
Now we need a TV show.
Yeah, hey, you never know what's next.
So, nap time, here we come.
And then when we wake up, we get to see our beautiful babies. I'm excited to see them.
Me too.
2 hours later.
All right, you guys, we had a nap, which is always an amazing feeling when you're young parents because it happens so few and far between. We had a pretty decent nap, although the construction across our street is getting really intense, and we woke up several times throughout our nap to our house literally shaking. Like, they're building houses over there, and our house is physically shaking from the construction. So anyways, guys, we're on our way now to get some lunch, and then we get to see our kids. I'm so excited, guys, and this is the hardest thing always about, you know, traveling and being entrepreneurs. When we travel for business and we can't bring the kids, that's the hardest part, is not seeing them for extended periods of time. So needless to say, we're super excited to see them, and they're probably gonna be just a little bit excited to see us. All right, T-Squad, we got child number 1. Ha! What's up, buddy?
Nothing.
I missed you so much.
I've seen you on TV.
Yeah, Camaro saw us on TV this morning. He was very proud. Anyways, Camaro, I missed you so much. Did you have fun without me and mommy?
Yeah.
Did you miss us?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, we got Camaro, as you can see. Keshia's running.
I'm gonna hop in the front.
No, you're not, buddy. Mommy's coming right back. So we picked up Camaro. Mommy's running a very quick errand. We're waiting for her to come back to the car. Then we're gonna get Cali. Then Camaro has MMA. So yeah, that's the vibe.
First we're going to MMA.
We're gonna get Cali, then we're gonna take you to MMA. Look who we got, T-Squad. Child number 2. Whoa, Cali, what happened to your face? What are all those things on your face?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, Camaro, look at your sister.
It's a polka dot.
Polka dots, oh no, are you okay?
Yeah. I need to go to the doctor.
You need to go to the doctor?
Yeah.
Oh no, Cali. Cali, you know what? I missed you so much when we were gone.
But I have polka dots now.
So Camaro finished up his martial arts, his jiu-jitsu. Camaro, you did awesome today, bro.
Yeah.
T-Squad, he is getting so good. That was like his 4th lesson, and he's already like doing so good. He could probably beat me up already. So yeah, Keshia is getting some soup right now for dinner. Soup vibes, there she is. And then we shall be heading home. Hey.
Hello.
You got the soup?
I got the soup.
If you guys are ever in Scarborough, check out this spot.
You just got me corn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, check out this spot, guys. Just soups. Alright, guys. Another exhausting day. But a very productive day. Felt so good to be reunited with these 2 knuckleheads right here. What's up, knuckleheads?
Nothing.
What are you guys watching?
I have no idea.
So Cali and Camaro, I have to tell you guys something, okay? You guys come in very close. Come. Come. Guys, I know me and mommy just got back, but tomorrow, me and mommy are going away for another week. You gonna be sad?
Mm-hmm.
Cali, are you gonna be sad?
Uh-huh.
Why are you laughing? I'm joking, buddy. We're not going. Cali was laughing though. Cali, you wouldn't care?
No.
Aw, I know you do. You're just, I don't know, maybe too young to really understand. But Camaro, we're not leaving. Don't be sad, buddy. We're so happy to be home. And tomorrow is Friday. What does that mean?
It's the weekend.
Baby! Well, not yet, but tomorrow it'll be the weekend, baby. Camaro, want to know something very funny though?
Yeah.
When I was doing my TV stuff today, they put makeup on me. You think that's funny?
Yeah.
Look, if you look really close, you can see some makeup on my cheeks. You like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? But yeah, T-Squad, it feels so good to be back.
And
what? What's up?
My parents were ordering me a 4-wheel scooter.
Yeah, Camaro does have a new scooter coming in the mail, which is pretty cool. Anything else you want to say, buddy?
No.
Yeah, that's it? Yeah, T-Squad, as I was saying, it feels so good to be back home. We really missed the kids this trip. Like always when we travel. That's as I said earlier in the vlog, the hardest part about traveling. One of the hardest things about parenting is being away from your kids. But we're back. You know, the next trip we have is the wedding as a family. So there's going to be a whole lot of wedding content coming out on this channel, guys. We're just like in crunch time, getting ready for the wedding. You guys are doing my hair? Okay. All of a sudden this turned into like a daddy grooming session. Go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Because if you ain't with the squad,
You ain't
Poppin'.
hey!
Fingers